In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and add friends here on GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, if you do find it helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this on both PC and console. So no matter what you're playing on, this is going to work. If you're on PC, start by opening up the pause menu and you'll see an option for your Rockstar Games account. You may have to go ahead and you're going to want to select this with whatever that keybind is for you, or just click on it and it's going to bring up a page that looks like this. Once it opens, go ahead and head over to the social tab just like so. And once you are in the social tab, go ahead and select Find Player and search your friend's Rockstar username, select on their profile, and send them a friend request. Now, if someone has already sent you a friend request, you'll see it in the friend request options, just like so, where you'll be able to go ahead and accept it. You can also add friends while you're in a public or private GTA Online session by opening up the social club and selecting whatever players there are from the session. But if you are in console, you'll have two options. You can either add them through the Rockstar social club, just like so, and just like I just showed you, or you can add them directly through your console's system. For example, on PlayStation, you could just add them through PSN, or on Xbox, you can add them through Xbox Live, or whatever they're calling it now. It's like the Game Pass thing. Once you've added them, they'll automatically show up in your GTA 5 friends list and you'll be good to go. But it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.